Faceless YouTube channels are blowing up in 2025, and you don't need to be on camera to start one. In this video, I'll walk you through how to build a fully AI-powered YouTube channel, step by step, with no filming, no mic, and no editing experience needed. Let's break it down. Step 1. Choose a niche that works without a face stick, with content that doesn't need a personality. Best performing niches for faceless channels include tech explainers, finance and investing, AI tools and tutorials, motivation, documentaries, luxury lifestyle. Go with a niche you can research consistently and monetize later. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to write your scripts. Ask ChatGPT to write video scripts based on your topic. Use prompts like, write a 5-minute script explaining topic in an engaging tone. You can also ask it to include call to actions and structure the script with intros and transitions. Step 3. Turn scripts into video with Pictory or InVideo. Pictory and InVideo let you paste your script and turn it into a full video. They add stock footage, captions, and transitions automatically. You can also upload your own clips or brand assets to customize it further. Step 4. Use AI voiceovers with 11 Labs or Play HT. You don't need to record voiceovers. Use 11 Labs to generate natural-sounding AI voices that match your tone. Whether it's serious, casual, or exciting, paste in your script, choose a voice, and export. Step 5. Design thumbnails with Canva. Use Canva to create bold, scroll-stopping thumbnails. Tips: keep text short and punchy. Use contrast and facial emotions. Stock images. Highlight numbers or keywords like $100 day or top 5 tools. Consistency builds click-through rate over time. Step 6. Upload, optimize, and repeat. Post consistently. Aim for 2-3 long-form videos per week, keyword-rich titles and tags, strong descriptions with CTAs and hashtags. As your watch time grows, you'll move closer to monetization. Pair this with shorts to grow faster. You can repurpose long-form content using Opus Clip or CapCut. Final thoughts. YouTube is still the best long-term platform for passive income, and with AI, you can launch a faceless channel in a single weekend, even with zero editing skills. You don't need gear, you don't need followers, you just need a system. Subscribe for more faceless income strategies, and drop a comment if you're starting your own channel this month.